With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is four forces acting on a particle, keep it in equilibrium, then we have to check these options which one is correct when four forces acting on a particle and the particle is in equilibrium. Okay, so first option says that the forces must be coplanar, so it is not correct. Let me tell you with an example. Let's say this is a box. Okay, case 1, when forces are coplanar. Okay, so let's say F1, F2, F3 and F4. F1, F2, F3 and F4. You can see in the figure they are on same plane. Okay, and one thing more, F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F3 is equal to F4. They are all in same magnitude. Okay, so they will cancel out and finally the body is in equilibrium. Okay, so this is the first case when all the forces are in same plane and body is in equilibrium. Now second case, we are going to use same body and same forces, but in this case this is F1 and this is F2. Okay, and F3 is acting perpendicular to the plane of body. Okay, so the direction is inward. Okay, so F3 direction is inward and F4 direction is outward, or we can say normal to the plane in outward direction. Okay, so it is represented by dot. So the F4 is F4 outward and perpendicular to the plane of body or object. Okay, similar for F3, inward and perpendicular to plane. Okay, now you can see if F1 and F2 are equal, then they will cancel out because they are in opposite direction. Similar for F3 and F4. F3 is inward in perpendicular direction to the plane and F4 is in outward direction. It is also in perpendicular direction, and F3 and F4 are equal. So now finally all forces are cancel out each other. Okay, and body is in equilibrium. So this is the case when you can see forces are not coplanar. There is two force, F3 and F4 are, let me write here. In this case, F3 factor and F4 are perpendicular to plane of object, but body is in equilibrium for this case. So from this we can say that forces may be coplanar or may not be coplanar. It is not much that the forces should be in coplanar or must be coplanar. Okay, so from this option A is not correct. Option B says force cannot be coplanar. So it is also not correct. It may be or may not be. So option C is correct. Now option D says if three of these forces are coplanar, so fourth must be. So option D says that if if three of these forces are coplanar, so fourth must be coplanar. So it is true, because let me tell you. Case 3. This is the same body which we are taking. Okay. Now let's say F1, F2, and F3. They are in same plane. Okay. So if another force F4 is acting on this body and this body have to be in equilibrium, so the fourth force which is going to act on this body, it is in same plane. It must be in same plane, because if it is perpendicular to the plane or any other direction plane, then body will not be in equilibrium. Okay. So the fourth force must be acting this direction, which is in the plane of object. Okay. So according to this, option 4 is also correct. Okay. So the correct option is option C and option D. Okay. Option C is correct and option D is also correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.